Ironman 4x4 Nitro Gas shocks are awesome. One is they're totally adjustable. You can put your stock coils on them and use them, you get a great ride. Or if you want to put a lift on your truck too and use our coils, you get a 2-inch lift. You can go even higher with our trim packers. It's pretty sweet. We use a low nitrogen charge. Pew pew! It's easier on your seals, they don't blow out as soon, and a lot more comfortable ride. We use valving similar to our Foam Cell Pros. It really comes down to the valving, that's why these feel so good. Also, we use natural rubber bushings instead of polyurethane ones. Poly's not squishy. Poly's better for like friction, not shock absorption. And natural rubber bushings is the way to go. We have oversized ones that takes all those high vibrations out. These things ride amazing. You're gonna love them. You can pick them up at your local Ironman 4x4 dealer or check them out at ironman4x4america.com. Make sure to like and subscribe. Go to FaceTube and Instabooks. We're also over there.